In part 2 of section 1, we're taking a look at line graphs and how to interpret those. So for problems 1 through 5, we're going to use this graph down here in the following scenario. It says John runs at different speeds as part of his training program. The graph shows his target heart rate at different times during his workout. So down here at the bottom here, we have time in minutes. So we're going from 0 to 100 minutes, and every 10 minutes we have a little interval there. And then target heart rate, we're starting down at 40, and then 80, 120, and 160. So every 40 we have another interval for the target heart rate in beats per minute. Question 1 says, what is John's highest target heart rate? What we're looking for then is the highest value that we see, and it looks like it's right here. And if I follow that over, that would approach 160 beats per minute. So 160, and again it says include units in our answer, so we need to have these units right here. And there's our answer. No, question 2 says, how long does John's training program last? It sounds like a time interval they want, so we know his training starts at 0 minutes, and then it looks like it will end at 100 minutes. Question 3, during which time interval is John's target heart rate most consistent? So most consistent means we're looking for just kind of a leveling off. I'm seeing 3 spots where we have a leveling off. We've got one right here, and that's when he hits that highest target heart rate. We've got another one here, and then another one here. So we're looking for what interval has the most consistent heart rate. So choice A says between 70 and 90 minutes. I don't think there's a lot of consistency there. We're going from 120 jumping up to 160. Doesn't seem like that would be the most logical choice. C says between B is between 50 and 70 minutes. So B, we have 120, it drops down, and then it goes back up again. It doesn't seem to be like a consistent level. C goes between 30 and 50, so we're here, and then here. That's not consistent either. And then D between 10 and 30, and that's again one of our flat spots. So it looks like D is our most logical choice based on the intervals that we're given. Question 4 says, on which interval is the target heart rate strictly increasing? Increasing means that the graph is going to go up as we move from left to right. Then strictly decreasing. So we're looking for it going up and then down. So in choice A, it's saying from 0 to 30 minutes. So if we look at this interval right in here, between 0 and 30 minutes, it does go up, but then it levels off. We never have a decrease until after 30 minutes. Choice B is between 40 and 60 minutes. So between 40 and 60, we go up and then down. That looks to be the choice. And question 5 says, describe what happens to John's target heart rate from the 85 to the 100-minute mark. So here we have 85 minutes is somewhere in here, and then 100. So it looks like at about 85, his heart rate is going to increase to its maximum and then abruptly decrease at about, let's say, 93 minutes. And we want to include units in our description. So again, we are going to say that John's heart rate increases until, let's see, oh no, it's actually at about 85 minutes is when he has his highest rate. So let's try that one again. All right, so John's target heart rate, or highest target heart rate, is reached at 85 minutes until about 92 or 93 minutes. So John reaches a heart rate, or target heart rate, of 160 beats per minute. From 85 to 93 minutes, followed by a decrease in target heart rate. Oops, let's try that again. Heart rate until 100 minutes. And again, we can see it on the graph. It's level for a while. It's up at that high level, and then it's going to drop down drastically. All right, we'll do one more graph here. It says, for problem 6.3, use the following scenario. The figure below shows worldwide unemployment rates from 2004, so that's this value right here, 2004, to 2013. You notice on our scale here that we don't mark every single point, but we do have an interval here, 2005 to 2007. We can infer then that this is 2006, 2008, 2010, and so on. And then in the vertical, we have our unemployment rate for the world. 6 says a diamond has been placed around a point on the figure, so that's this guy right here. Using correct units, describe what this point represents within the context of the scenario. So I'm going to first start with the time. We know that the time here is 2007, so we're going to say in 2007. Okay, an extra 0 there, sorry. In 2007, the worldwide unemployment rate was, let's see, so we have that 2007 here, and if we kind of go over to there, was 5.5%. 7, select out of the pie in blank. The worldwide unemployment rate was greater than 6%. So we're going to kind of use that cutoff line here of 6%. Anything above that, we're going to count. So it looks like we have one right here, 2005, and 2009, 2010, and 2013. So let's see which one of those are choices here. 2005, there's one of them. 2009, 11 is below, 13 is above. So those are the ones that, of the choices we have, that were at an unemployment rate greater than 6%. Number 8, which of the following statements is true? So again, we're going to have to look back at the graph for each of those. A says the rate of unemployment is decreasing consistently from 2004 to 2013. So I'm not seeing that, because if it was decreasing consistently, we wouldn't have any of this uptick here from 2007 to 2009 and this other uptick over here. So I'm thinking A is not a good choice. B says the rate of unemployment is increasing from 2007 to 2010. So from 2007 2010, not quite. There's that little drop from 2009 to 2010. So I don't know that that's a good choice either. C, the rate of unemployment is decreasing from 2004 to 2007 and also from 2009 to 11. So let's see, 2004 to 2007, there's a definite decrease. And 2009 to 2011, yes, there's a decrease there. So both of those seem to be true. So again, we're looking at graphs, just interpreting them. It's important to know the units, your time units, or whatever your input is, and then also what your output is.